It's me, Trinity.
And I'm Makayla.
And we're back at it in the kitchen, and we're baking a mess.
But it's fun,
yeah.
It's fine. We'll clean.
Probably.
More than likely.
And today we are making
banana bread and bizcochitos and gingerbread men. But
yep.
We'll only show you banana bread, I think. Enjoy!
Enjoy!
That's really gross, it's all slimy.
Okay, so what are we doing first?
I'm putting bananas in, and then I say we whip the bananas for a little bit.
Okay, cool. So we have these 3 gross
brown. But it's made for baking, so they're actually a lot more sweet whenever they're overripe, which is why you use the overripe bananas.
It's literally disgusting. And the little composted peels. Oh, that feels so gross. This attachment to mix up our bananas.
I say we do bananas, then eggs, and then all the wet ingredients first and the dry ingredients.
Cool.
That sound right?
Mm-hmm. Wow, that's gross.
These are beautiful eggs.
Yeah, they're like from our neighbor. So we have 3 farm fresh eggs that we're using.
Now we're putting in 1.5 sticks of butter, because butter makes everything better.
It really does.
It's like my grandma's recipe.
Oh, that's awesome.
I grew up making banana bread, so that was really fun.
We don't have a 3rd cup because it broke at some point, so every time I have to do a 3rd in my baking, I always just like try to guess.
Probably not very good.
What does it taste like?
Banana. It's flour.
It is very banana-y. Another tip, if you are like low on sugar, or if you want to make it with less sugar, is you can use applesauce to sweeten it. And you have to account for that like with your wet ingredients. Oh crap.
Is it bold big enough?
Yeah.
Okay.
It just like got everywhere.
So now we need 1.5 teaspoons baking soda, and then the 1 cup of pecans, and then a teaspoon salt. I'm gonna toss the pecans in. Whoa! Amazing! One and a half teaspoons. Need any frosting because all the sugar is in there, so it's so sweet whenever you eat it that frosting is literally overpowering.
Oh my god, I love that. We could just make them as like plain without the frosting.
I think it tastes better like that anyways, personally.
Yeah.
Like what's that mouth do?
It's an imperfect process.
Welcome to my TED Talk. Thank you for attending.
I'm so sorry. Are you full?
Oh.
Okay.